Good morning, students. Good morning to all of you. Today we have to discuss question number 2. Okay, from the quadratic equation. Okay. In examination, how can you conclude that the question is from quadratic equation? We can conclude from here that the question is asking about a number. Okay, the question is asking about a number here. Question is asking about the find the numbers. No, here question is not asking about the numbers, but here question is asking about only a number. So we can assume that only in one variable, that is a quadratic equation. Okay, let us see here solution of this question. First of all, we have to assume that let the natural number, the question is asking about the natural number. Okay, here the sum of a natural number means first of all you have to assume the let the natural number equal to x. Let the natural number equal to x. Okay, here the numbers, the question tells us that the sum of a natural number and its positive square root. Okay, the sum of a natural number, that is the x, and the positive square root of x is equal to root under x is 132. Find the numbers. Okay, according to question you can write here, according to questions, the sum of a natural number, that is we have already assumed, plus the square root, that is a positive square root. And so it can write here the positive square of root, that is from x, positive square root of x equal to 132. This one gives a quadratic equation. If you assume, if you assume, here you can write assume root under x equal to y. Root under x equal to y. If you take a square on both sides, you know that if you take a square on both sides, you know that it will become y square equal to x. So in place of x you can put y square plus in place of root under x you put y and equal to 132, and now it becomes a quadratic equation. Okay, from there you can find the value of y. Okay, you know that if you multiply, okay, if assemble this one, y square plus y, arrange, and it will becomes minus 132 equal to 0. Okay, and if you multiply minus 132 y square, it will become minus 132 y square, minus 132 y square. Okay, it will becomes minus 132 y square. And if you take a common, that is that from 12 minus 12, or take a plus 12y as a common, it will becomes 12 1 ja 12, and again 12 1 ja 12, and minus y. Okay, and if you know that already 12y minus 11y, it will be gives a value that is y equal to y, and you know that here you have to place y. So in place of y you have to put here, what we have to put in place of y, we have to put 12y. In place of y we have to put 12y minus 11y and minus 132 equal to 0. Okay, from here you have to solve this equation and find the value of y as a common, y plus 12, it will becomes y plus 12, and if you take a common of 11 as a common, it gives a value that is y plus 12 equal to 0. And from here you know that already that the minus sign will separate these two terms. Okay, the minus sign will separate these two terms. So minus so here y plus 12 as a common in both terms. Okay, so y plus 12 as a common on both terms, y plus 12 and y minus 11 equal to 0. So you can write here y plus 12 equal to 0 and y equal to 11. Okay, so you can write here y minus 11 equal to 0, and here from here you can write y equal to minus 12 and y equal to 11. You know that already that you have assumed y equal to x, root under x equal to y, and you know that this one the positive square root of x, so y cannot be negative, so it will not a value of y, so we have to take y equal to 11 as a value of y. And you know that you have to assume the natural number equal to x, so you have to find out the value of x. So the x equal to y square, and x will becomes 11 square because of y equal to 11, and then x equal to 121. Okay, and this one the natural number that you have assumed. So our answer is 121. Okay, I think you are able to follow me. Thank you very much.